Hi, I'm DX5, your friendly air purifier from AeraMax. You've probably noticed me in your office or classroom, and I'm here as part of PCC's priority to keep the campus safe and healthy. You'll want to leave me plugged in and turned on all the time, even weekends and holidays. I'm pretty low maintenance, but when you need service or a filter replacement, just submit a work order through the work request system on this website like this. Now, let's start by taking a look at the parts of my display panel. First, up front and center, the AeraSmart Sensor. This monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep your air purified. My lights indicate the purity of your air by color. Blue, pretty pure. Amber, so-so. And red, I need some air. My default is set to automatic operation when first turned on. This means I'll automatically sense the amount of impurities in the air and adjust the fan speed to keep your air purified. If in manual operation, go back to auto at any time by pressing my auto icon. Here we have the Aera mode. This mode is designed for peak allergy season conditions. It increases air turnover rate by 35% versus low fan setting mode, and I can remove even more allergens from your air. To switch to Aera Plus mode, press the plus icon. To return to auto operation, press the plus icon once more to turn off. Next is my fan speed indicator. This simply shows you my current fan speed setting, low, medium, or high speed. This here is the manual fan speed adjustment. You can switch to manual operation by tapping my fan icon to manually select the fan speed. Now we've come to the area that shows when you need your filter changed. First, the true HEPA filter change indicator. The amber is just the warning light, but when the light goes red, this indicates it's time to replace the filter. Under normal conditions, it needs to be changed only once every 12 months. The second filter change indicator light is right under it, my carbon filter change indicator. Again, the amber light is just the warning light, but when the light goes red, it's time to replace my filter. The carbon filter needs to be replaced every 3 months under normal usage conditions. And now my favorite part, the PlasmaTrue Technology symbol. It shows that I create an ionized field, to help safely remove airborne pollutants. Again, if you need a filter change, or I don't look too well, just submit a work order through the work request system on the website, and they'll get to you as soon as possible. So for now, breathe easy.